One of the things that I've noticed while having the floor mats in for the last month is that due to the design of the driver's side floor mat with the extension that goes through the center here, it leaves the dead pedal here or footrest exposed, as well as the accelerator pedal. So if you see right here, there's lots of dirt and debris that gets in these areas. So this is one thing that I have a problem with on the floor mats that come with the Fisker Ocean. However, the new LinerX covered this entire area, so I think it's going to be a definite improvement as far as that goes. So let me go vacuum this all up so I'll be ready for the installation. Here's the driver's side floor mat after about just over a month of use. I just did a quick vacuum and it seems to be in pretty good shape. Here on the front passenger side, we see the Fisker OEM mat. And it's a bit better than the driver's side because you do have protection up top and you don't have the issue with the pedals. However, since the mat only goes so far, you still get a buildup around the edges. I'll remove it to show you. You can see right here. So I will vacuum this up and get this ready too. Now for the rear seat area. This has been the least used so far in the car. It's just a little bit dirty, but as you can see, the area is not too bad. This at least has area underneath of the seats that is covered, especially under the center console. It has little sections that cover that. So not too bad. I'm actually liking how this is designed. It would be nicer if it went up higher along the edges, but otherwise not too bad. Take this out. Now I'll clean this carpet area and get it ready. And here is a look at the OEM floor mats removed from the car. The back seat, driver's side, and front passenger. Yesterday I received this box from LinerX. This is the very first all-weather mats that are available for the Fisker Ocean. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Each of these comes individually wrapped. This is the driver's floor mat. It's sculpted and shaped to fit in the driver's area. This has the locking mechanism so that it will not slide. Has ridges here for extra traction, and the texture is very grippy. Also, if you get any water or snow in here, it will stay in the grooves. And since this has very high walls, it won't get on the carpet. So very nice. Let's look at the next one. This is the front passenger floor mat. Very similar design with the locking mechanism and the sculpted shape to fit into the area. Here's the back. And finally, we have the rear seat mat, which is in one piece. And it also has the sculpted shape and grooves in it. There's no locking mechanism for the rear floor mats because it's not needed for safety. Since these are folded during shipping, you may need a little bit of time for them to go to their normal shape for installation. However, this one seems very good. I don't really see any creases in the edges or anything like that, so very nice. Here's a close-up look at the mats. They are made from a premium quality thermoplastic elastomer, which is an eco-friendly material, non-toxic, odorless, 100% recyclable, and exceptionally good-looking and durable. It's designed to offer maximum interior protection from sand, mud, snow, dirt, etc. to keep your Fisker Ocean floors clean and pristine in all seasons. It has a textured, skid-resistant surface for easy cleanup, compared to the Fisker mats, which are a fabric mat, which don't offer the same protection. Durable and strong, the Advanced Performance Mat Liner is tested for extreme conditions to ensure that they don't crack, split, or deform. These floor mats have a lifetime limited warranty to the original owner. LinerX stands behind every item they sell and wants you to be truly delighted with your purchase. If you are not 100% satisfied with it, returns are free within 30 days of delivery. There's also free shipping. Inside the box is also this floor mats guide from LinerX. Thanks us for purchasing the product, and then it has the steps for installation. They suggest laying the car mat on a flat ground surface for 24 hours or under a warm shaded area for 12 hours. Remove all the other floor mats from the vehicle. Install each LinerX mat in the correct area in the vehicle. Adjust seats forward or backward for easier installation. The car mat will settle in and become more fitted in 48 to 72 hours. And then they have their email and phone number that you can contact them if you have any questions. Here I have the LinerX floor mats laid out with the driver, front passenger, and rear seats. Now compare this to the OEM mats that are underneath. Quite a big difference in size. And coverage. So that should give you some idea of the difference in size between the mats. Let's start off with the driver's side floor mat. I will insert it basically at an angle here so it goes under the pedals. And then you need to push it down so that goes over the clips, and then I'll snap those in. You hear it snap into place, and there we go. As you can see, it covers pretty much the entire area of the footwell, going all the way up to the sill edge, going up a few inches towards the seat, and then all around. So if you walk into the car and get any dirt, mud, snow, rain gets in here, it will stay in this area. The nice thing is the grooves there will provide traction, and you have now covered areas for the footrest and for the accelerator. Those were previously left open and allowed dirt to get onto the carpet underneath. Now you're fully protected, and I think it looks really nice too. And this is the front passenger seat floor mat going in. Got to push it up a little bit. Snaps in right side and left side, so this will not move. You got high edges all around to capture any dirt or water or snow or anything that gets in the car will be inside of the mat. And now for the rear seat mat. I find it easier just to angle it down so that it goes into the recesses under the front seats first. And then it will slide down into place. And that's a really good fit. Let me push down on the right side. Wow, that is snug and it doesn't move. Really nice. Here's some shots of the plain carpeted area with the Fisker OEM floor mats and now with the LinerX all-weather floor mats. And you can see the driver's side, front passenger side, and rear seat area. Now let's go for a final tour of the installation. We'll start on the driver's side. I'll get in real close. I'll show you the rear passenger mat now. You can see that it goes under the driver's seat, also extends under the center console and the front passenger seat. You can see how it goes up the sides of the rear carpeted area here. I'll zoom around. And finally, the front passenger seat. It extends fairly far forward and up the sides. The snaps keep it firmly attached. And there you go. I hope this was a useful video for you. I think I am going to really enjoy having these floor mats installed, especially since winter is approaching and bad weather is just around the corner. These will give more protection to the carpeted areas inside the car, and they should be easy to clean. You can either pull them out, shake them out, or vacuum in place. So that's about it. If you're interested in these floor mats, please see the link in the video description. Don't forget to use code RANGER to get 10% off your purchase from the LinerX store. If you have any questions or comments about the floor mats, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.